Alright guys, hold on. Alright, what's up guys? Back with another video. I'm joking. So today we're just gonna be riding around. I'm gonna go to that neighborhood with some deer and stuff, and me hit some jumps today. Just be goofing around. It's just me today, but yeah, let's get it. I'm trying to get better at wheelies, but see if this goes good. I might be getting new tires in a little bit because my tires are not good at all. They're terrible. They slide like so much. But there are some jumps up here I am gonna hit, and you get actually pretty good air. So there's one right up here. I'll show y'all. It's a little combo I like to hit. Bro, these tires are actually like booty cheek clapped. I just slid like bad when I was about to hit that jump. Hey, I'm literally crazy, bro. I'm literally crazy. Some cars over here, bro. Is y'all really gonna get in my way? Turn back around after this. I don't know who the people were. Hit some really real quick. Oh my gosh, I cannot speak. Really? That was pretty good. Hey? Hey! I don't know if y'all can see over here. I'll have to show y'all. There's like dirt marks all over here for me hitting the jumps. It's actually bad. Y'all probably can't see it. Alright, here's my old jump. Like before, I had my studio. I made this jump right here. I don't know if I can see it. Put my camera at it. That is not good at all, because you just like go straight down. And recently, ants have taken over it, so it's not so good. With the car and shoot. For the summer, we'll die for each other. Alright, so we're gonna take a left. Hold on, let me get a little sunflower seeds. I always put these in when I'm riding. I don't know if you'll see them. Sunflower seeds. It's the spicy dill pickle. They're pretty good. But let's go. But these roads are so bad. They're like so bumpy. There's a little pond over here, and it's filled with water moccasins. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that pond, I'm traumatized. I was fishing, there's like 6 water moccasins all swimming in the pond. Little jump right here. don't even know what percent. I'm at like 90. Oh, there's a squirrel. Y'all see him? Little squirrel on that tree. You want a seed? Hey, buddy. Oh, he ran. I want to eat squirrels so bad. I've heard good things about it, but we can let him live for now. We're gonna go to the deer farm, we'll get some deer. Hopefully they're there. If not, I might just be going and trolling. Oh crap. I might just go troll, but I might just troll either way if the deer are there or not. And one thing I'll say about this neighborhood, there is like 15 ponds. Like there's a pond right there, there's one back there, there's one right here, and there's so many ponds. Kind of weird. But other than that, this neighborhood is not that bad. I like it. Another pond right here, that looks nice. I wonder if there's fish in it. And I will say, guys, I am gonna do more fishing videos. So yeah, I'm just gonna do more fishing videos. I'm not just gonna ride. And there's a pond up here. I probably saw one of my last shorts. I caught that like a 3-pounder or 4. I don't know. And this one pond. This is like that pond I fished. I fished here like my whole life, or not my whole life, but like for like 4 years. And it's like, it's always been good. Like, I think I've been stung maybe once or twice, but other than that, it's amazing. But now more people are getting to know about it, so it's a little, not like overfished, but people are still like getting to know about it. But other than that, it's really good. And then my friend, we're trying to jump up here. I'm gonna hit it for a little bit. It's not at their best. It's just really shaped weird. Like, it just goes straight up, and you just go straight down. It's a little weird, but you get some air. Thinking of it, and I have made some ideas, but I just like forgot about it. But comment down below if I should make some merch, and y'all should give me some ideas. I feel like y'all's ideas is good, but let's see y'all's comments down below. We're getting up on the deer farm. But let's see if they're here. They're like in different like cages, I guess I would say. So I'm gonna have to be a little bit quiet. The one thing I don't like about this bike is it's so freaking loud. I'm trying to find them. Oh, they're right there. Holy crap. Hey bro, why is my bike so loud? I don't know if y'all can see him. I don't know if y'all can see him, but they're right there. They're right over there by the fence. I'm just passing by, bro. I ain't gonna hurt you, bro. I'm gonna go get see him. They're right over there. It's pretty cool. I don't know if I can see him. That is so cool. And look, they look small on the GoPro because I'm far away. But up close, I'm trying to get up close to them. They're so cool up close. Make sure my bike doesn't fall. But look at this. That is amazing, bro. It's okay. Oh, they're gone. Bro, like, I ain't gonna do anything to you. I ain't gonna do anything, bro. I'm scared they're gonna, like, attack me. Yeah, they gone. Yo, this one is, like, not scared. Oh, yeah. One's peeing. Yo, one's peeing. Dang! How long is he gonna pee for? Holy crap. Oh my gosh! Dang! Yo, I'm like right here. Holy crap. There he goes. That is actually crazy. Alright, I'm gonna go over here, hit this jump, and I'm gonna end the video. I don't want it to be too long. That's just in my opinion, because I don't want to edit it and all that stuff. But I'm just gonna hit this jump over here, and then I'm gonna end it. I might just add some other clips to the video if something happens. But other than that, I'm just gonna... Cool, bro. There's like another like big pack over here that has like, yo, why is there a white van, bro? Get this white van out of here. If he turns left, what to say, bro? But what I was saying, there's like a big pack over here. I don't know the deer. I think they're like red stag or something. And there's like an albino one, and that's pretty cool. Jump is right here. And for the summer is right here. It's really weird. Like you go. Oh, my friends are here. I swear someone is calling me. Alright, back to the video. I'm just gonna hit the jump for a little bit. It's like so weird. Like the build up is it just goes straight up. There's a little landing but I'm getting used to the bike because the bike is so heavy. It just wants to go like straight down. That was good. That was a really good jump actually. I landed like straight and I actually got some good air. I'm gonna hit one more in the end of the video, but it's gonna be a good one. That was perfect. Alright guys, so thank y'all for watching. If y'all made it this far, let's see. If y'all made it this far, I want y'all to comment dill pickle. So make sure to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna post some more videos. Thank you for watching, and y'all have a good day.